What's up guys, it's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, babies, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's Frisky Friday video, I am going to be trying sushi for the first time. Yes, period. No, because it was my first time trying sushi, I decided to just go with the one that I feel like is most famous, the one that I've seen everybody trying, the one that every first timer tries. I really wanted to get the salmon one because I like salmon, but I decided to go with the California sushi. I believe that is what it is because that's the one I've been seeing persons reviewing. That's the one I've seen person use as their go-to sushi. So drum roll, let's go. Okay, so first, where did I buy sushi? Oh, chopstick. Where did I buy this sushi? I bought it from Rainforest, Jamaica, which is the one in Montego Bay. I believe it is Rainforest, Jamaica. I'm recording from my phone, so I cannot even look, but I'm gonna put the correct name if that isn't the correct name. There. It's small, but it is what it is. I'm just here to try it, that's all. This is my name. Rainforest seafood.
No.
Most people classify sushi as raw fish, but it is basically, that is basically what it is. Look how the lady with that go and mostly open the soy sauce when one already coming in the packet. Ooh, soy sauce. I am so excited, y'all. Have I ever used chopsticks before? But Father Jesus. Oh. This is vegetable. I don't know what that was. It tastes like cabbage and it tastes like ginger, if that makes sense. What is this? What is here? What am I saying? Okay, so the stuff that came in the container along with the sushi, they're not for me. I don't like them, so onto the sushi I go. They smell like fresh fish. I am going to try it without the soy sauce first, then I'm going to try with the soy sauce. So here we go. I mean, it's okay. It most definitely does not really taste like fish. Like a lot of the reviews, persons were saying that it tastes like raw fish. Honestly, the mixture of the rice along with the seasonings and whatever else is on here, I'm not getting raw fish vibes at all. But let me go ahead and try it with the soy sauce. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now I take back my word. It is definitely giving raw fish vibes. Off the jump, I'm going to say I don't think I'm a sushi person, but I'm going to try another sushi to see if it's just this sushi that is not me. And again, like I said, I'm a salmon person. I was thinking of getting the salmon sushi, but because the review that I watched, persons were calling it out saying that it tastes like raw fish and stuff. So I really did not want to get over my head and get the salmon one, then didn't like it. Sushi's not me. Or like I said, maybe it's just this particular sushi that I don't like. I may try doing another sushi mukbang, but for right now, I'm just going to say sushi's not me. I don't want to seem harsh, but this is definitely a 5 for me because I only ate, I think it's 3. I only ate 3 and I don't think I'm going to eat the others. So I was so excited for this. I was hoping that I would be a sushi person because I've always wanted to try it. I'm a very adventurous person, so deep down I just felt like I would have been a sushi person because I am not like a lot of person that pick and choose what to eat. I am always open to eat stuff. If you really know me, you know that I'm always open to eat new stuff, to try new stuff. And For the longest while, I wanted to try sushi, but unfortunately, the sushi didn't want to try me. So it's okay. I will be doing another sushi mukbang, hopefully with the salmon one. Another thing that I'm excited to try is, what's the thing called that you mussel. Was it mussel? I think it's mussel. Yeah, I've always wanted to try that. But like I said, that is my opinion. That is my preference. Everyone is entitled to their own opinion. Everyone has different tastes. So it is only fair, it is only right that I left my review. If you have had sushi before, let me know how you like it. Let me know which one you think I would like. And let me know what you rate your sushi in my comment section down below. That is it from me in today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive comments. Also, as I mentioned in my previous videos, by Christmas I want to get to approximately 1,000 subscribers or more, so therefore hashtag road to 1,000 subscribers. Also follow me on all my social media platforms at AYAFARRR, that is IFR with 3 R's. Until next time, walk good, love you guys, peace.